If you want to know how to unlock your store or remove the password, then this video is for you. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this will let you make your store public to anyone, and to do it you will need to have a Shopify plan. So I will leave a link in the description below with this special offer that will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will cost almost €400 per month, but with this special offer it's just €1. So check out the link in the description below if you want to get the best offer for your Shopify store. After you have chosen your plan, just go to online store right here and then click on preferences. Then you will have the password protection right here. So by default this is enabled, but if you click right here and then save the changes, as you can see, the online store is now open to everyone, so the access to your online store is no longer restricted. You can also set a homepage title, which is basically the name that will appear to the people when they try to search for it on Google. So just put in your store name right here and save the changes again. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.